Yo, ladies, are you ready for the second job?
Yes, what's the second job?
Oh, you don't even know. You guys know what it is. Start the music. Ooh, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode. This is Molives here, Molives TV. Another day, another adventure. Guys, let's go, baby. Guys, we just landed in San Juan, Puerto Rico. We started this morning in Islip, New York. So it was snowing when we left, and I'm like, bruh, I need to get out of here. So you know that's what we do, 24-hour layover here with these lovely ladies. What's your name? Where you from?
Melinda, Dallas.
Woo! Ladies, where you from? What's your name?
Kayla.
Okay.
Amy, Dallas.
Nice. 10 million people are gonna see this. Do you know that? Are you ready for that type of fame?
Hi, 10 million.
Ooh, hi 10 million. Ooh. And Gail was like, yo, Matt, you got a face for radio. And I'm like, girl, that's not. Face for radio. Yeah. Guys, this is seriously my favorite layover. We stay at this extremely, extremely nice hotel. I'll show you guys in a little bit. Okay, you gotta help me out with the transition.
What?
Transition.
Hey.
Do you hear the music? Yeah, hit the screen. Guys, we made it to the hotel. Let's go, baby. Not too shabby, kids. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. I likes it. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Like, someone's got to do it, you know? Kind of got to get some stunners, too. I don't have any shades, but 3:25 tomorrow. What time are you on tomorrow?
I am out of here at 6:15 in the morning.
Ooh, yeah, you know, what are you going to do? You win some, you lose some. So guys, I'm the D on this trip, so I'm like the extra flight attendant, so my layover is 24 hours, but these ladies are only here for 14. So, you know, we got an extra 10 hours for activities. Let's check out the room, baby. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Stop it. No, he didn't. Kid, you can't make it up. Oh my goodness, let's go, guys. Life is good right now. 24-hour layover here. I mean, if some people are still wondering, like, oh, you know, I really want to be a flight attendant, but like the turbulence, bruh. Keep this in mind. I did wake up at like 5 a.m. in freezing cold upstate New York, but you gotta take the good with the bad, you know what I'm saying, baby? Also, guys, you guys know, gotta do this as always. What the? Alright, we'll count it. Shut up, Evie. Guys, if you haven't liked this picture on Instagram, boom, like it right now. Woo, let's go. Alright, I'm gonna get changed. I'm gonna go meet up with the ladies. There's some restaurant on the beach. We're gonna grab some drinks and enjoy the view. Maybe catch the sunset. I'm not working out right now. I'm probably gonna work out in the morning, super early, and then beeline it to the beach. And you know, I gotta rock something different. And not only that, we got candy over here, Kit Kats, Pringles, Snickers, M&M's, cookies, cashews. We got wine right here. None of that is free. Okay, yeah. I don't know if you've ever had a Kit Kat before, but that is a $4 Kit Kat right there. And your boy ain't paying $4 for no Kit Kat, I can tell you that right now. But all right, let's go. What's up? We made it. Not bad. Not a bad view we got here. Hey, cheers. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Guys, this is how we do it, crew life. We got the perfect spot right on the water.
bring the wife here, maybe we'll switch right here for breakfast.
I just ordered some food. I'm not gonna be that guy, so I'm gonna show you the food right now.
Woo!
Wow, look at you guys. You guys are rock stars, eh?
Or you want to try some of the mofongo?
And
Oh, that's good. Wow.
yeah, don't wait for me, guys. Don't wait for me. Yo, real fan would wait, you know what I'm saying? Real fan would. Nah, it's all good. So it's all good. Keep eating, guys.
Eventually.
Woo, baby. Don't mind if I do. Yeah, buddy. This is what we like to call the seafood mofongo.
Mofongo, yeah?
Mofongo. That sounds Italian, Miles. What are you doing, buddy? Take two. The mofongo. I don't know. It's about to be bomb. We're about to go in. I don't want to mess up this masterpiece.
I just tried the rum house.
Bang. Mofongo. Scallops. Salud.
Oh wow.
Oh my goodness. Puerto Rico, te amo, tu comida, magnifico. And just like that. Woo! I don't know what happened. It was magic. Hey guys, if you ever come to Puerto Rico, Alambique, wicked awesome food. Wicked awesome. The crew life. Yo. El Cap over here definitely has some serious dad shoes going on. Yo, I'm gonna show you these dad shoes real quick. Rocking the kicks.
What are those?
If Otto Rocket could see you now, bro, he'd say this.
We've been invaded by shoobies.
I hope it's not too windy, but man, I am vibing right now. Vibes, right? You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
You're just vibing right
It
now?
is fabulous here.
Fabulous.
Absolutely fabulous.
This place is vibes, right?
Yes.
That's what I'm saying. She knows it's vibes. You know. Another day, another adventure. I hope you guys can hear me. It's so windy out here. Beautiful morning, beautiful morning. I already hit the gym. Yeah, it's weird. The footage got lost, and I was playing with the USA men's basketball Olympic team. Boom, there's a picture. I was there. Got pretty good. It's not a big deal, it's whatever. But after that workout, we gotta get some breakfast, so let's do that. Look at the spread, the buffet, baby. Let's go, let's go. Yeah, that should be pizza, but it's not pizza. Got some eggies, some potatoes. We got over there, we got some bacon over there. Okay. Hello, how we doing, I would love a egg white veggie omelet, please. Very much. You wanna say hi to anybody? I'm a vlogger, I make YouTube videos. You wanna say hi? Hi? Okay. We got the fruit, we got the oatmeal, we got the view. Life is good, baby. Now, I have no idea what I'm doing tonight. I get back to Baltimore like 11:30. And I don't know if I'm gonna pick up a trip tomorrow yet or not. You know, we'll figure that out. We'll cross that bridge when we come to it, because it's time to enjoy and relax San Juan, Puerto Rico. So that's what we're gonna do. And after a lovely breakfast, we're gonna catch some vibes by the pool. This is how you get towels here. All the towels are here in these like little things, and you put your room key up. Boom, open the door, grab a towel, close it back up. These are like smart towels, it's ridiculous. There's this little microchip, like in here, there's a little microchip, and that tells you if you return your towel or not. So boom, when you return it like that, towels will be recorded as returned, because there's a microchip in them. Pretty cool stuff, you know? 2018, we're out here. We're out here with the locals. What's up, bro? What's that? Like and subscribe? Yeah, guys, I said like and subscribe. So if you guys aren't part of the film, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Smash a like on this video and enjoy this lovely montage. That's how we have a layover, baby. Look at my nose, bro. I was sitting outside for like an hour, maybe. It's all good. Your boy got burnt. Boom, Lobster Molives is back at him again. All right, so we already worked 2 flights. One Orlando, and then one from there to Fort Lauderdale. Fort Lauderdale right now. Oh yeah, and new crew, who this? They're gonna introduce themselves right now. Say hi to 10 million people.
Hi to 10 million people.
Oh my goodness.
It's on his head.
Introduce.
In his head.
No. I mean, it's mostly my mom, but like, you know. Bro, what's up? He's out. All right, we'll see you guys in 2 secs. Alrighty guys, we are back. It is Molives here, Molives the Teenage Witch. How we doing? I'm here with my girl. We just out here chilling in Rhode Island. It's no big deal. That's what we doing. Yeah, I'm just licking myself because, you know, I just ate some cookies, so now I'm like licking. Oh, no, okay. All right, no. Really, bro? Apparently Molives got a couple cats. We're out here in Rhode Island. But guys, the new mystery flight is going on soon. It's going to be happening within the next few days, so stay tuned for that. Boom, follow me right here at Molives TV. If you guys don't know what's going on, I'm going to the airport in Miami. Welcome to Miami. Bienvenido a Miami. Boston in the city where the beat is on.
No! God, please, no! No!
Yeah, so we're going to be going out of Miami International Airport. So most of the departures are going to be in South America this time, guys. So if you guys don't know, if you're new here, welcome. How you doing? My name's Molives. This is what's going to be happening, guys. I'm going to the airport with no destination, going live on Instagram. And you guys are voting for what country I'm going to. Whatever country has the most votes wins. And then I book the flight and I go and I do some crazy stuff like scuba dive with sharks. Or jump out of airplanes. Oh, actually, guys, I'll show you this pic right here. Woo, little sneak peek. Hey, I'm getting my skydiving license. I already did my 4th jump, so we'll see what's going on. The vlogs are about to get 20 times more lit. And you guys know what to do. This is Molives TV. Smash that like button and let's fly, baby.